Magic Star Rhymes.
5 little ducks went to take a bath. Splash, splash, splash in the bubbly bath. Mama duck said, quack, quack, quack. Time to get clean, no looking back. 5 little ducks say, bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Little ducks won't ever stop. Splashing water, flap, flap, flap. Playing in the soapy bath. 4 little ducks go scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub in the tub, tub, tub. Feathers clean and shining bright. Washing left and washing right. 3 little ducks go dip, dip, dip. Dip, dip, dip and slip, slip, slip. Water dripping on their head. Quack, quack is what they said. 2 little ducks go wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash with the splashy splash. Rub their wings and tiny feet. Getting clean is fun and neat. 1 little duck goes rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse, 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 a happy prince. Shiny feathers, soft and bright. All cleaned up and feeling light. 5 little ducks now clean and dry. Shake, shake, shake and fluff up high. Mama duck says, quack, hooray! Bath time fun has saved the day. Splash, 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 what a sight. Clean little ducks say good night. Yeah.
Like, subscribe, and share. Join the fun. Magic Star Rhymes.